and my respected teachers, both juniors and seniors, both teaching and non-teaching, and my senior staff, Satya sir, Devra sir, and our chief guest. As we know, we Indians celebrate two festivals in which we all share with. One is Independence Day, another is Republic Day. Because of independence, we are celebrating today Republic Day. We had our independence. There is a long history of struggle behind it. After a long struggle, we had our independence. After having independence, our forefathers decided to build this country a republic one. What does republic mean? Republic means we will have a government that will be selected by the people, that will work for the people, that will be of the people, by the people, for the people, of the people. To meet this approach, a system was developed that is called general election. Through general election, some political leaders will stand in election, we will vote for them, we will select out of them as our representative, they will form a government and that government will work for us. Okay? Then, in this process, great leaders were created like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Azad, Aruna Asaf Ali, Sucheta Krupalini, Bhimrao Ambedkar, and come to our state, Navakrishna Chaudhary, Gopabandhu Das, Hare Krishna Mahatap, and so on, like Biju Patnaik or Janaki Patnaik. These people dedicated their life for the service of the people, servicing the poor, servicing the sufferer, servicing the distressed people. Their disease was their religion, that was their worship. But today, if we try to find out such persons in our society, then a rare personality we can find. Nowadays, politics has become a business. People stand in election, they invest money to draw 2 times or 3 times out of them. It is their business. You must have seen in some elections, some good people stand in election. They come to our houses, beg for votes. But do we vote them? No. We vote for them who invest money, who gives us money per head, 2 or 300 rupees per head, or 1000 or 2000 rupees per family. Before one night of election, a sum amount of money given to every village, and that money is distributed in among the families. Per family, one chicken pocket or wine bottles are distributed. Then next day we go to vote for them. This has become our republic. This is very pathetic, is not it? My point is, where do this corruption money come from? Everywhere there is corruption money. Without corruption money, there can be no election. And you mark during election, what is the selling of wine? During the election campaign period, selling of wine increases. Everywhere there is wine. You mark those people who go in a rally, without wine they don't go in a rally. Even in common, it has been common in our society also. We go in Baratis. You must have seen there is special vehicle loaded with wines. They take wine, then they go to in Baratis. Without wine, they don't go in Baratis. It is practical. But where do this wine come from? Who is spreading the selling of wine? It is the government itself. The government is opening wine shops, both the Thipi Cola and the Thipi Bang. They are earning money through selling wine, and it is done by the government, and it is the reality of by people. The government we selected is doing the business of wine, and it is reality of by the people. And what about of the people? Of the people, you come from our Odisha, come to Odisha. We have a government in state, that is the Navin Patnaik government. But who is the real owner of the Odiyas? Now it is Pandyan. The Tamil Pandyan is the real king of we Odiyas. Okay, so it is of the people, reality of the people. And what about the